Apple's event on September 9th is quickly approaching, and the company's event logo has once again raised a lot of rumors. Although Apple never gives away anything in these drawings, history demonstrates that they frequently include hints, and this year's design may be hinting to two of the most significant updates anticipated for the iPhone 17 Pro series: modern cooling technology and brand new color options. First, let's discuss hues. Felipe Esposito of Macworld claims that there are 5 possible finishes for the iPhone 17 Pro: black, white, gray, dark blue, and a striking bright orange. Upon closer inspection, the event logo now prominently features those same orange and dark blue colors. Apple has a history of hinting at product specifics in these invites. Perhaps this is just a coincidence. If this is accurate, orange would undoubtedly be the most striking color this year, while dark blue offers a high-end, polished look. Although Apple has introduced special finishes over the years, such as deep purple on the iPhone 14 Pro and titanium blue on the iPhone 15 Pro, orange would be one of the company's most daring decisions in a long time. Let's go on to the second potential clue, which is quite important for power users. Apple is reportedly redesigning the interior design of the iPhone 17 range to improve heat dissipation. More precisely, it is anticipated that the Pro versions will have a vapor chamber cooling technology, which is already present in Android flagships like Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra. Additionally, a close examination of the event logo reveals that its gradient-heavy, whirling design closely resembles a thermal heat map. Is that a subliminal hint to this new cooling boost from Apple? It certainly feels like way. To put it simply, a vapor chamber is a narrow, enclosed metal chamber that contains a very small amount of liquid. The liquid evaporates and disperses throughout the chamber as the phone heats up during taxing activities like gaming or video editing, diverting heat away from vital parts, including the speculated A19 Pro chip. The cycle is repeated when the vapor cools and condenses back into liquid. Better thermal efficiency, longer lasting performance, and far reduced overheating are the outcomes. A long-standing desire among iPhone owners, particularly when Apple began incorporating console-level games into its Pro models. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.